Welcome to today's video where we tackle one of the most common and frustrating household problems: ants invading your home. Whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, living room, or even your bedroom, ants can sneak in and become unwelcome guests. They may be tiny, but when they come in numbers, they can become a huge nuisance. In this video, we'll explore in detail why ants enter your house, what attracts them, and most importantly, how to keep them out effectively. From prevention to natural remedies and long-term strategies, before jumping into the solutions, it's essential to understand why ants come indoors in the first place. Ants are always on the lookout for three things: food, water, and shelter. When the weather outside becomes too dry, too wet, or too cold, ants look for more stable environments to support their colonies. Our homes offer all three of their needs: easily accessible food crumbs, hidden water sources from sinks or pipes, and plenty of places to hide. Once a few scout ants discover these resources, they leave behind pheromone trails for the rest of the colony to follow, leading to a full-scale invasion. One of the first steps in keeping ants out is detecting their presence early. Look out for scout ants walking in single file lines, especially near food sources. These scouts are exploring your home and mapping routes for the others. You may also notice small piles of dirt near walls or cracks, which could indicate an entry point. Finding where the ants are coming from and where they are heading gives you vital clues for formulating your plan of action. A clean home is your first line of defense against ants. Ants are drawn to even the tiniest food particles. Start by thoroughly cleaning your kitchen and dining areas. Wipe down all surfaces after meals and cooking. Crumbs, sugary spills, and even pet food should be cleaned up immediately. Store pantry items like cereals, flour, sugar, and snacks in airtight containers. Avoid leaving fruit on the counter, and make it a habit to take out the trash regularly. Even garbage bins should be cleaned weekly, as residue and juice from disposed food can attract ants. Don't forget to clean under appliances and behind furniture where food particles often accumulate unnoticed. Just like food, ants are also attracted to water. Leaky pipes, condensation under sinks, and dripping faucets are like open invitations for ants. Check under the kitchen and bathroom sinks regularly for moisture buildup. Repair any plumbing leaks immediately and keep those areas dry. Even pet water bowls can attract ants, so consider placing them in shallow trays of water or removing them when not in use. Pay attention to plant pots indoors as well. Overwatering can lead to moist soil, another thing ants love. Now that we've taken care of what attracts ants, let's focus on how they get in. Installing weather stripping on doors and windows can also help block their paths. Don't forget utility lines, pipes, for windows. Using fine mesh screens and keeping them closed when not needed is a good preventive measure. If the problem has grown and you're dealing with a full infestation, baiting is more effective than spraying. Place the baits in areas where you've seen ant trails, commonly in the kitchen, under sinks, behind appliances, or near trash cans. Patience is key. Don't kill the ants you see, as they need to bring the poison back to the nest for it to be effective. In spring and summer, ants are more active and likely to enter your home in search of food and water. In colder months, ants may seek warmth indoors. Maintaining consistent cleanliness and keeping an eye on hidden corners during these seasonal shifts is important. Preparing your home just before these transitions can save you from major infestations. A professional will not only treat the problem but also give you long-term strategies to prevent it from happening again. It's important to maintain a clean and dry home consistently. Create a regular cleaning schedule for your kitchen, vacuum often, and always wipe up spills immediately. Periodically check for new cracks or openings around your house and seal them as they appear. By keeping your home in top condition, you reduce the chances of future ant invasions. Let's do a quick recap of what we've covered. We talked about why ants come into your house, how to identify early signs, and how to cut off their food and water supplies. We then moved on to sealing entry points, using natural repellents, and dealing with full-blown infestations through baiting. Finally, we emphasized long-term maintenance and knowing when to call in the professionals. Keeping ants out of your home is entirely possible with consistent effort and a bit of awareness. The key is to be proactive and address the problem before it becomes a major issue. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have your own tips or experiences with ant control, we'd love to hear about them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future home care tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to a peaceful, ant-free home.